morning everybody and welcome to another vlog. We're starting fairly early. We need to go get Kitty and Bubbles some food because you know they eat so much and they run out of food like every single day somehow. I don't know if you guys had this as a kid, but let me know. It's these Hubba Bubba like tape bubble gums, if you know what I mean. I remember like that was the thing in primary school. Like all my friends were like, oh, can I have some? Like you only get like an inch or 2 centimeters or something, and they'd always like be like, oh no, give me an extra centimeter. And I'm like, no, it's my Hubba Bubba. And everyone would always do that. It was so funny. Tell me if you guys had that as well. It might have just been something that my primary school had a lot, but I doubt it. I reckon a load of you had that as well. Alright guys, it's a Saturday and we decided to come back to Jumeirah Beach because it was so awesome last time we came. I'm gonna go for that ride, the slingshot. I can't take the camera with me, but my sister will be recording from down, so I need to sign my life away, is that it? Where do I sign? So if I die... there we go. I'm getting strapped in to go on this. I don't know. Let's go. Okay, I'm just holding the camera now. I'm not taking it up with me guys because it'll fall away. My sister's gonna be doing that from down there. Why didn't you join in, man? Alright, video me.
I'll video you. Okay, just let me know where I can stand. Like, where's the closest I can stand?
Okay, so what you wanna catch? You wanna catch like whole thing?
Yeah.
So whole thing you have to catch from here.
From here.
So basically from here, yeah, you will have whole.
Okay.
Or if you want, you can come all the way down, but then you need to
lift it.
do this.
Do you really think? Maybe for, I don't know, for his reaction, it's better.
Because
Teddy's gonna give me a special ride.
Really?
Because I'm a YouTuber, I get a special ride. I know.
Oh my god, just...
Yeah, it's for the special people.
Special people.
Okay. Alright, just, yo.
Stand there, that's good.
basically here, but you
And I
have
have
to
to
be
move.
fast
Yeah,
because
yeah.
in 1 second he will be on a 15
Okay,
meters.
okay. Okay, just do a countdown so I can be ready.
Can I get a countdown?
Yeah.
Alright?
I'm really nervous.
Don't worry, we'll catch you if you fall.
I know you're not gonna count properly, you're just gonna play with me.
Yeah. So what we need to do is, what do you want? I will count for you. Or you will count for yourself?
I can count.
You can count.
Yeah, I can count.
Like 10 or
I'll go down to 5.
5. Yeah, exactly 5.
Shall I start?
Yeah, sure.
5.
Wait. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, count.
5, 4.
Oh my, that's high.
It's actually so high up here. It hurts now.
Are you okay?
Yes.
One more?
I'm good. One more.
Oh man.
One more.
Oh.
One more.
Could you replace me?
No.
My legs are shaking. Can I get a nice countdown this time? Oh. You know your heart goes in your mouth like
You're gonna be fine.
that was bad the first time. I was scared. I hope nothing different's happening this time. I see stuff getting unclipped.
Oh. Oh my god.
Second time, okay?
Okay.
You know my legs are shaking.
That look on your face, I can't do it.
Look, look.
Oh my goodness.
It hurts.
Okay.
I had no warning that time. There was a countdown.
That's why it's special.
Oh. Definitely not. Oh.
Oh my god. Okay.
That was definitely special.
Shaking a little bit like that, huh?
Yeah, my legs are like shaking.
So what do you think? Should I do it? I'm scared.
I don't recommend it. I would love
For
to
someone
do
who's
it.
really scared, I'm talking about.
That was amazing, guys.
Yeah.
Definitely check this place out. I'm actually
For the
shaking.
next one's lady.
If you could convince her, I'd love her to do it.
I think
I'm
you
gonna
should try.
start crying.
You should do it. You should definitely try
It's
it.
nice, it's cool.
But I can't do 2 rounds. I can't
Listen.
do 2
Okay,
rounds. Just
only one
do
round.
Let her do it.
1 second, and that's it. We need
Alright.
just 1 second for it.
I'd love her to do it. I think, do it. It's a good experience.
Only 1 second.
Okay, so they somehow convinced my sister into doing it. So you guys are gonna be in for a treat today on the vlog. I have no idea. I was trying to say please come with me, but now they've told her to do it, and she said yes. So that's awesome. All right. Good luck. Lana's signing her life away right now. Yeah, you just signed your life away. I'm telling you, it's super sick. Like, it's really scary.
Actually, we have more girls than guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what's the joke?
What's
the
that?
Guys come with the girl, you know? And
Yeah.
they're like, who's going to try it? Take the girl.
Yeah, I wanted to do that to her. I was like, you go.
Yeah.
All right, good luck.
Don't be afraid.
Oh.
Don't be afraid.
It's actually it's really bad. I hear numbers going on.
You don't play that.
How do you feel about this?
If anything happens,
Did you sign there?
You signed your life away, that's it. That's it.
my brother made me do it.
No problem. You sign it. No problem. If you sign
This is gonna be bad, guys. There's like an audience of people watching here as well, and it's so fast. Like the countdown also makes it worse. They're like 5, 4, and they just hit you up. All right, good luck, good luck, good luck.
She's gonna be pranked.
Is she gonna be pranked?
Yeah, she's gonna be pranked.
That's a good thing.
Definitely.
The countdown 5, bang.
We'll go on like 2.
On 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. She's gonna be so. That's really fast though, that ride.
Yeah, that's coming.
I didn't expect it to just go bang.
Second something, and you're like 16 meters.
Really? Oh, I feel so bad for her.
From you.
Oh, okay. Oh, hi.
Open your eyes.
This is so. You're getting a cheer. How is it? Did you enjoy that? She didn't even get a countdown.
Okay, one more.
Are you crying? It seems.
No, it should be fine.
Lana, how was it? But it's cool, right? Your feelings are mixed now.
I don't know what to say.
Mixed emotions right now. That ride
You know when
was
you're
so
coming back
scary.
down, when you're coming back down, you still think you're gonna fall.
Okay guys, we just finished up with that ride. It was super fun. Like, when you go up, it's just that adrenaline. Especially, they didn't even count down
I
for
was
you.
gonna keep my eyes closed.
You know,
and
he
then
told
the guy was
me,
like, "Keep your eyes
the guy
open."
told me he's gonna prank you. He's gonna count to 2, and then you didn't even get a countdown. It was like double prank. It was
Because
super
you know,
awesome.
like, I was closing my eyes and he was trying to do it quickly, so I could have my eyes open while
Really?
going up.
Alright, that was super awesome. Anyways, we're just stopping by to get a drink, and
I
then.
think the worst part for me was when it was coming down. Like going
no,
up.
the up part was the worst for me.
For me, it was going down because I felt like I'm gonna smack down onto the floor.
Alright guys, so I came to this really cool place and I saw this off Vitali's vlog before. You guys were like, Mo, Vitali did this. Yes, I saw this off his vlog and we somehow found it. It's this really cool Nutella place and they have like pancakes. That is so awesome. So did you guys see Vitali when he was here? You didn't see him? Aww. Yeah, I tried to see him as well. Okay, I don't know, do you want a pancake or?
Yeah, look at these.
Yo, look at that.
How many plates do you want, ma'am, sir?
Just
They're small, right? So
Yeah,
you need
10
to guess. I don't know how many.
just one plate.
10 pieces. 10 pieces.
Alright, yeah, can we just get one? That's so cool. They have a wall of fame there. Look, Vitali's right there. Maybe I'll be there one day, right? Imagine my picture can go right there somewhere.
Yes.
Where'd you get these Nutellas from?
Give me
Are they only for you guys? We might actually be on there one day. We're negotiating our way onto the Wall of Fame. We're trying to see. Imagine I come back and I'm there. I can have like a similar picture on the wall right there somewhere. Alright, thank you. Yeah, of course, Nutella. That's the only thing I love. That's what I came here for.
That is like the biggest
Yeah, that's what I was like, where'd you get these?
They're huge.
Yo. So much Nutella. Alright, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's good seeing you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we got a load of Nutella with pancakes. Are you gonna have some?
Wow, that's like,
Yeah, I know, it's like,
I think you need to use these.
it's loads and loads of Nutella on that. Yo.
Okay, if anyone comes to take photos, I'm gonna have
And by the way, we've been seeing loads of you here today, so shout out to the Yo-Yo squad. We're getting there, we're getting big, guys. We were like, are we gonna be on the Wall of Fame? Is it really hot? I feel it under my hands. Okay, we'll have it later. Alright guys, we're at the beach and we're doing some boat hunting. These are antique boats. Are these antiques? I don't even know. They look awesome though. Yo, yeah, I don't think these have been used for a while. They're super thing, what's it called? Like, there's loads of bottles in there and stuff. Yo, let's go explore. Alright guys, we're gonna go explore this haunted boatyard. Come, just come, trust me. Why are you flashing me? I don't think we're supposed to be here. Okay, there's a rope here. I don't think I'm gonna go past this. Is this a boatyard? I don't even know what it is. It looks pretty spooky at night though, because it's kind of dark. It's actually not that spooky now that we've come here. Oh wait, I swear I heard a noise. I swear I heard a noise. I'm gone. No way guys, when I hear a noise I'm out. I think it was just like the cloth on it, but I don't care. That is such an awesome shot. Whoa. I don't know what they're doing to the light. What do you reckon it's for, like a concert? Alright, let me go ask them. It's for an event that starts on Sunday.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't know, dude, it just said event. They don't know either. It's just an event. Okay, we're done with the beach for now. We're gonna go find somewhere to eat. We were gonna eat here, but then we were like, let's change it up. We did everything that we could have done at the beach. We checked out that slingshot, which was scary as hell, man. We also went to that cool store which sold them Nutella like pancakes. And we even ran into that, not even went, we kind of ran into it. We saw like loads of boats parked in this dark place. And we were like, yeah, let's go check that out. Okay, let's change the spot for today because I think we did everything, as I said. Don't tell them, don't tell them, you ain't gotta tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them. Girl, I guess that must be you. Don't you tell them what we do. Don't tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them, don't tell them.
He's doing a karaoke for us in traffic and everyone's like looking at us.
8616, I got a missed call from you. On my late night thirsty, cause it was late night and I was thirsty.
I love that part, man. That's my favorite.
Okay, now keep your eyes on the road, alright? I want to get somewhere safe. We just finished in Jumeirah and we're gonna go to another beach. Yeah, we like to try going everywhere. So now we're gonna go and eat some dinner. I have no idea, what are we eating?
I don't know, we just have to go see, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of them sports ones, you know? Those are like bowlers cars. You see that?
Yeah, I did. I love this song so much.
I'm just a girl, can I make it any more obvious?
They were in love, haven't you heard?
And how we rock each other's words. She got the fear, boy. See you later, boy.
This is so embarrassing. I'm addicted like a drug.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
So we're here at JBR. Yo, it's so dark. Is it fully open, the lens? You cracked your neck.
Oh, I just have a problem.
So we've come to Aprons and Hammers to eat just because my sister wanted to eat here. But your boy went and got some PF Changs. Yo, let's say ghost stories. Woo! Imagine, do you have ghost stories to tell them?
And hammer.
It was one day, late at night. Someone saw Lana's face and died. The shock. I actually ordered myself PF Chang's and I'm gonna bring it here to eat because you know your boy's a cheater and I really like their chicken, so I might come back. I don't think, is it ready by now, do you reckon? I think it's ready. Okay, I'll give it 5 more minutes and go pick up my food. What did you guys get? Shrimps.
My favorite.
The lighting here is so cool, you know that? Oh my god. Oh, my bread. Oh, thank you. You saved me one. Oh yeah, butter too. Check this out, guys. Under it, it has a button. Oops. Look, you can change the color of it. That's dope. I ran into one of my really old friends. Basically, we were pretty much, me and his brother were friends from when we were born, right? And then since he was born, I knew him. So that's like how many years? How old are you now? Like 4. Okay, 12. I said 14, but yeah. You can say hi to the vlog. Yo, so your squad. So if you guys wanted to know some people I know, you guys always say I have no friends. You see? He's one of my friends.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go say bye to everyone else. Let's go. That was pretty awesome. We had like a long chat. The guy I just showed you on the vlog, me and his family, or like our families, have been like good friends for ages, but we obviously, my mom always goes out with them, but we ran into each other like randomly. I recognized them. I was like, yo mom. Yeah, okay, so now that's like kind of someone I showed you in the vlog because he doesn't mind being in the vlog. Yo, what's up, man? Let's go.
I want to have the Nutella.
Yeah, oh, after we ate, yeah, we left it in the car and I was like, bruh.
Guys, we wanted to show you this tower. If you noticed, it actually swirls. So this is the bottom. When then you go up, you can see the edges, they turn into they just turn around, like rotate.
That's called architecture at its finest.
Yes.
Hey Grumpy, we're home. Guys, basically we've named him Grumpy, or wait, what did you name him? Oh, he left. Alright, see you later Grumpy. Alright guys, I'm home and I wanted to talk to you guys before I ended the vlog, and it's about something I actually watched on YouTube. Yes, I watch a lot of YouTube videos myself. I was watching some guy, I can't remember exactly what his channel was called, but in it he was talking about how he put his mindset like, today I'm gonna have a good day, and he had a great day. And after I watched that, I tried it today, so I was having like a not so good day before it, and I was like, you know what, who cares, let's just be happy for today. And as soon as I went out, everything just started going my way, and it's actually really amazing how like you can control your own like life or just happiness in general. So if you guys are watching this video, what I want you to take away from today's video is just be happy. Just try and go out with a good mindset. Just put your head on something and go for it, and you should go forward. Yeah, that's it. That's the words of wisdom from Mo. Anyways, if you did enjoy today's vlog, as always, smash the like button, leave me suggestions of things I can do, and I'll try and do my best. Yalla YOLO. Peace.